Yeah guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to do some unboxing again. So, let's get into it. So here we have the first package. I won't show the actual package on camera because I think it has an address on it. So yeah, I'll just get some scissors and cut through it. So yeah guys, here's what come out the package. So, let's just, oh god, a bit awkward. Detach. You've packaged it very awkwardly. Oh, one of them sliding out, guys, look. Yeah, here's the first one. As you can see, I'll show you guys in a minute. No, let's just get the second one out. Hang on. What the fuck? Yo, what? Why is there money in here? What the hell? The geezer sent me a pound coin and a 50 pair? What do you mean? Eh? Second one's out anyways, Kai. Why the hell did it... Yeah, I want this sticker. It's got bus on it. That would do. I'll put it to the side of it. Look, guys. Why is there a 50p coin? What the hell? I swear to you, I have not put this in. Look. A pound coin and a 50p. What do you mean? What is this? I am super confused. I'll leave them in there for now. So yeah. Oh, I know this one. So this one is an X Pullhams. I'll put the eBay image up there so you can see it a bit better, but it just has the copyright filter over it. But that don't matter. You can still sort of see the image. So here's the front. And there's the back of the slide, and the registration is DAD600Y, I think. Yes, it is. Can't pronounce that, but it says X Pullhams, and it's in Mike's Travels livery. So yeah, pretty cool. There's first slide. Here's the second slide. This one is another X Pullhams, guys. But I'm not sure what company it is with. Same goes for this one. I'll put a picture up there as well. So yeah, here's the front, and then there's the back. Next one is another X Pullhams, obviously. So yeah, here's the front, and there's the back, and obviously I'll put that photo up there as well. Yeah, I don't know why you put some money in there, guys. Kind of cool, actually. Thank you very much. So yeah, I can unbox this one on camera, and this is the final package. I'm pretty much caught up on the unboxing now. I've only just ordered these and they've come already. That's pretty cool. I didn't realise they were from the same person. So first of all we have the green bus, as you can see. ALX 400 I do believe. If not, I'll put in the text like usual. So yeah, this one is T61KLD. T61KLD. So yeah, it is the green bus. I've seen plenty of these around, but I haven't really filmed any yet. Because I've mainly seen them on school trips. So yeah, there's the front and there's the back. Next one, I've filmed this one before. If I can find it, I'll put a picture of it up there. This one is an Optare Solo YJ57EHK. And it's a Macmillan Cancer Support vehicle. So yeah, pretty much a converted bus. So here's the front of the vehicle, and here's the back of the vehicle. So, all that's left to do now is get the thumbnail. Yeah, I'm just setting it up, so I'll pause the video, guys. Stop. So thank you guys for watching and peace out. Yeah guys, what's up, the Bus Channel here, and today we're doing another unboxing video on the same day because I'm an idiot and didn't realise they were on my shelf. So yeah, I don't know how long they've been up there for. So getting into the first one, which is this one. Need to get my scissors again. So yeah guys, I have now retrieved the scissors. So, we're on this one I do believe. This one right here. Make an incision. Come to think about it, I probably don't need scissors now, guys. God knows how long these have been here for. Oh, I'm an idiot. I did have this. Oh well, I ain't left him feedback yet, so yeah, that is good. Some of you guys may recognise this. Some of you may think it's V176 ESL, but it actually isn't. This one is V171 ESL. Fleet number is 7171. Obviously you guys know I own 7176 now, V176 ESL. So yeah, it is a Volvo B10 BLE. And for some reason the Volvo B10 that we have, the Naughty Bus V176 ESL, is not building up air pressure. No idea why, but we'll sort it guys, don't you worry. So yeah, here is the front and there is the back. So, moving on to the next one, which is this one. Yeah, I'll just have to make a quick incision. Somehow. Where is it? Come on, you little bitch. May have it, guys. May have made a big enough incision. That's how you do it. Nice. Let's see what's in here. So yeah, here is the next package, guys. As you can see, I've just got to unbox that. Ah, I know this. Here is a Royal Mail post bus. As you can see, I had to pick this up. I thought it was pretty cool. I haven't got anything like this in the collection yet, guys. Now I do. If it will come out. There we go, that got her. So yeah, here is the Royal Mail post bus itself. As you can see, not sure what type of vehicle this is, what make, but I'll put it in the text below. This one is GFJ277N. So yeah, pretty neat little thing to add to my collection. Here is the front of the postcard, and here is the back of the postcard. But we're not done yet, guys. We have another thing. What's the Honiton Royal Mail Post Bus? As you can see, that's what it says. Feel free to pause the video if you guys want to read that. I'm not sure where the place is, or even if I'm pronouncing it right. So yeah, first time of hearing the place. So if I'm pronouncing it right, correct me in the comments if I'm not. So yeah, here is the front. Nothing on the back though, but I thought I might as well show you it. And then this is pretty cool. Nothing on the front, but there is a little drawing of the Royal Mail post bus. That is pretty cool. Reminds me of Postman Pat's one. Yeah, let's just put all of that back in there. That's how it should come, like that. That's how I found out about a Royal Mail post bus, is by Postman Pat. You know that episode? Not sure how long ago it was. What's this little thing? Please find item below. That's just, I think that's just eBay. So yeah, moving on to the next package, guy. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm not sure when that episode of Postman Pat came out, but if I find out, I'll put it in the thing. Put a link in the description to the video if you want to watch it. I still watch kids' cartoons. Does it look like I care? No. Sometimes it's better than the stuff that's on YouTube nowadays. I suppose I'm not the only 18-year-old that enjoys kids' cartoons. So what if he does? Oh, you little bastard. There we go. There's one. Oh, I think they're all in here, actually. Sorry I'm not showing that on camera, guys. I didn't realise. Oh, I'm just going to cut this envelope. I can't be asked to go through all the fidgeting around with it. So I'm just going to make a nice little cut. There we go. I can now just pull it apart like that. I'm not bothered about the envelope. I've got a photo album to put these in now. Hence why they're not on my wall anymore, because when I took them off they just ripped off some of the paint and yes, and the other stuff as well. 1, 2. Right, there should be one more in here, but the guy might have put in the next package that I got. So, this one is ODF 561. Never heard of this Pulham's bus, or coach even. So yeah, I'll put the make of the coach in the text below. Here's the front of the picture, and then here's the back of the picture. Moving on, here we have a Mercedes-Benz Turismo. As you can tell, I can't identify what the number plate is because it's a show when it was brand new, I do believe, and just says Turismo M, which is the make of the coach. So yeah, pop that there. Moving on to the last and final package. Hopefully it's that Pulham's coach. I know which one it is that I'm looking for. It's because I probably ordered it a bit more later. And yes, it is the one in the package, because I ordered it a little bit later than the other ones. As you can see, it's one in the old livery. I think this is one of my favourite liveries they've had. I miss it when they had the stripes like that. I remember when they changed it. I weren't really into buses then, but I thought, ooh, that's a new Pullham's livery. So I think I was slowly getting into them then. Because I remember on primary school when we went on a school trip, I went on one of the old ones in this livery. Don't ask how I remember these things. I just do. Most of the time it was Henschel's that did our school trips. In primary school. And then in high school, I think it was a mix of... Actually, no, I think it was mainly Bakers that did our school trips. I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Bakers that did our school trips. We never had a Johnson's that did it. They just did the school bus routes. As you guys know from my videos. I have made a job at opening this, haven't I, guys? There we go. That popped the package. Don't want to bend it. There we go. So yeah, here is the last and final picture of this Pullham's coach. I'll put the thing in the text below. I'm not sure on the make. But yeah, I do prefer this livery to the other livery, but I still like them both. But yeah, I do prefer this one a bit. I don't know why, I just like the stripes that go up there with the cream. So yeah, although this livery is getting quite old now, to be fair, because they've had it for quite a while. Can't remember seeing back in primary school. So yeah, this is the old livery and this one's the new livery. You can sort of see the difference, can't you guys, on the sides? So yeah, it's got more red than cream on the old one, and then this one is just normal. Well, the ones you see nowadays. Because if you also look on this one, it's pretty much the same. I still like this livery, don't get me wrong, but I do prefer the older style. So yeah, here is the front of the photo, and here is the back of the photo. I'm not sure what I prefer of Johnson's though, even though they don't do the bus services anymore. They went through different liveries. Oh, so I'm not sure if I prefer the yellow and blue livery or the what do you call it? Yellow or blue livery, or the one you saw, well, or the one that was used last. Because I'm used to the one that was used last. I can't remember the yellow and blue one at all. You guys can tell I don't really script these videos, can't you? So yeah, without further ado, let's get the thumbnail, boys and girls, and in between. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out, peeps. So, fucking I wanna